Default arguments are common in constructors. You can use them to specify default attribute values. It is also common to assign none as a signal to fill in the value if and as needed. Like instance objects, classes themselves can have attributes. Class attributes can be accessed via the class object. It is also possible to access these attributes via instance objects. However, if you assign a value to such an instance object attribute, it does not change the class attribute's value, and so won't be reflected by other class instances. While not often needed, a class can also have a destructor method that gets run when an object of that type is destroyed. This can be used to clean up anything that the object is in charge of. For example, we could use a destructor method to remove circle objects from the canvas. This is appropriate because the star object creates the canvas circle object. Another feature of objects is getter and setter methods. These are used to provide the syntax of getting and setting attributes on an object and perform calculations or other manipulations as needed. For example, here's how we could give the star class getter methods for its x and y coordinates. @property is called a method decorator, and this method decorator turns the method into a getter, making it possible to write code like this. It is possible to declare just a getter for an attribute, as just seen. We can also declare a setter method to allow setting the attribute value, like this. And analogous to a destructor, you can declare a deleter method, which is invoked if an attribute is removed using the del delete operator.